What's up everybody, Bailey Maloney here, and today I am back for another figure review. Today, finally, I'll be reviewing on Sonic Boom Shadow figure from Tomy. Whew, I'll tell you guys, it's been a long ride, but finally made it. I finally got my very own Sonic Boom Shadow figure. I have been longing to get this guy for a long time, but now I finally got him. I recently got him today, and oh my goodness, I've been waiting to do this figure review. Now, what do you say we start off, as usual, the design and sculpting of this figure. Sculpting of this figure, his head is shaped really nicely, although I wish that his spikes could have been opened out more, but I think it's alright. His face is sculpted in nicely. I'm going to tell you what I did later on. His body is sculpted nicely, his spines and tail sculpted in, his chest fur is sculpted in. His hands are kind of like in a holding thing's hands so he can hold stuff. His shoes are sculpted in nicely. The paint job, long story short, when I first got this shadow figure, his hands looked a little messy, so I decided to give him a new paint job. I painted his gloves white, right here, and I painted his shoes, the white parts, completely white. And I glued on a nose from one of my modern Sonic Tomy figures, because when I first got the shadow figure, he didn't come with a nose. I don't know whether it broke off during the shipping process or not, but I was able to find one of the spare Sonic Tomy figures I have and glued on a nose for Shadow. But other than that, I am really, really impressed with this figure. Now with that out of the way, time we go over to articulation. And as always, starting from the head down. Shadow's head can move left and right, though mine is a little stiff for some reason, and could go into a 360. Yeah. His arms go in and out, forward and back. No elbow joints, no wrist swivel, no ankle articulation, no knee articulation, and no waist articulation. His legs go out about that far, back about that far, and yeah, that's it for my Shadow Boom Shadow figure. Get it? 'Cause he's Shadow the Hedgehog? No? Oh, okay. Yeah, I am really happy that I finally got my Shadow Boom Shadow figure. So, what do you say we do some size comparison, shall we? Here is my Shadow the Hedgehog figure from Jazzwares. And here he is with my Jakks Pacific Shadow the Hedgehog figure. As you can see, both Jazzwares Shadow and Boom Shadow are actually shorter than Jakks Pacific Shadow. But yeah, that's the way how they're sculpted. Get these two out of the way. And now it's time for what you've all been waiting for. The main cast of Sonic Boom. Here's Sonic Boom Sonic. I'm going to set him over here. Here is Sonic Boom Tails. Here is, oh, hang on, Sonic Boom Knuckles. Set him over here. Here is, oh, scooch back a little bit. Sonic Boom Amy. She goes over here. Here is Styx the Badger. I'm gonna put her over here. There we go. Here is Sonic Boom Dr. Eggface. It's Eggman! Okay, Eggman, sorry. Dr. Eggman. Eggface. What? Nothing. I'm just gonna put him over here. There we go. Here is Sonic Boom Metal Sonic. And here is my custom figure, Sonic Boom Lavinia the cat. I'm gonna have her stand over here. Look at these guys. Well, that's it. I am finally done with my Sonic Boom figure collection. I have been collecting them since 2014 and I finally got them all. Oh my god, I'm tearing up. Nah, just kidding. Man, it's been a blast collecting them. So, what do you guys think? Do you guys like my Sonic Boom figure collection? Feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoy my figure review on the Sonic Boom Shadow figure from Tomy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This is Bailey Maloney signing off. Catch you on the flip side.